Okay.
No, wait.
Hello,
time
YouTube.
out.
What?
I'm
What?
gonna say, pop them motherfuckers.
Not ready. Okay, YouTube. We're gonna show you how to make some chicken nuggets hardcore style.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So first, step number 1. Open the freezer thing. Yeah.
Gosh.
Get out
the
those.
fucking
Get out those chicken nuggets, baby.
Tyson.
Oh, Tyson. They're 100% all natural ingredients.
Oh yeah.
Step number 2. Go to your cabinet.
Step number whatever. Pop them up. Fuckers in the oven.
No, it's not yet.
Microwave. Arrange chicken on
Okay.
a safe plate.
Step number 3. Read the instructions.
15.
We're
15
going to
nuggets.
use a micro. 15?
15 nuggets.
Okay. Step number 3. Open this protective
Step
seal.
number 4 after 5.
Dude, open the protective seal. Open the protective seal.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, if we had a black person,
Okay.
they could make them.
How many? How many?
15.
Dump 15.
1, 2, 3,
Three.
4, 5.
Who's counting?
Yep.
Just dump them on there. Okay, done. Done. No,
Okay, that's good.
Dude, how many is that? 1, 2, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16?
17. That's good.
And 2 go back in the bag.